Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can correctly use your voice in Suno AI. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just head over to your web browser, and here as you can see, I'm already in Suno. So this tutorial is gonna be very easy and you will be able to do in seconds. So first up, you have to log in into your account and make sure that you're logging into Suno. Then after that, you just head over to create and go to custom. Right over here, you have to press on audio. Do not press on persona unless you want to do someone else's voice, but press on audio and you'll see two options, record or upload. So if you want to record right away, just record it, or if you have an audio, just press on upload and do that. And just agree and press on save. Now right here, it's just gonna do the uploading of the clip, so it might take a while, but press continue and it's just gonna keep on uploading the clip. Now right over here, you have to add the lyrics. So I'm just gonna add a random lyrics. I don't know what I said in that. So yeah. So yeah, something like that, and I'm just gonna fill it out, blah blah. So once this is done, you can do the write lyrics option as well, but you can just do that. And then style tags, just put in hip hop, rap, spoken word. And once you do that, just wait for the audio clip to upload, and you can also enter the song title and then press create. So once you press on create, so I'm doing everything impatiently and now waiting for the video clip to upload. So you just need to wait. So I'll be right back once all this is done. So yeah, I'll see you guys. Okay, so everything just generated, and here as you can see, it gave me three audios and two are for upgrades. So you need upgrades if you want to listen to it. So let's hear the first one right over here.
Hey guys, this is just an example audio for Suno. So I won't be singing anything.
Oh yeah, it definitely sounds cool.
Hey guys, this is just an example audio for Suno, so I won't be singing anything, but I'm just gonna upload this audio to let you know how.
Definitely good. So yeah, this is it on how you can use lyrics or voiceover for Suno. So I hope this tutorial helped you out. I'll see you in the next one.